So hello again guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to use ChatGPT for iOS and I'll give you a full overview and how to use it. So as you can see here, I'm already in the OpenAI website. So here we can see that you can also download it directly going to the App Store, since there are a lot of third-party applications which just mimics ChatGPT's functions and they're not really ChatGPT, or perhaps they're using OpenAI's API to mimic ChatGPT. So here we can press on the download on the App Store button, and here we see that it leads you directly to the ChatGPT app, which is provided by OpenAI, and the developer here says it's from OpenAI. So this is the official ChatGPT applications right here. So that you won't be able to download those nonsense third-party applications. So here just press download, which I already have done, and now you can open the ChatGPT application. So here it will lead you to the application, and here it will say you should continue with your email or your Google or your Apple email. So here I would choose to go with my Google account. And there you go. Welcome to ChatGPT. So just press continue. And there you go. This is the ChatGPT application. Here it just functions as a normal ChatGPT, like the ones in your browser or perhaps in Safari or Chrome. It just has the same function as the browser version. So here we can perhaps, let's just say, give me the recipe for a cake. And there you go. It has the same function as the browser version. So as you can see here, it just gave us a recipe to a cake. So there are also very interesting features about the ChatGPT app, such as clearing your conversations has never been more easier. By just swiping left, you can make a new chat. And there you go, you already have a new chat. Another amazing feature about the ChatGPT for iOS is you can do voice into text using your speech. So right here, it's recording what I'm saying and it will transcribe it into text. And just tap anywhere to stop recording. And there you go. See? Just like what I've said. So let's say you want to do a math equation, but you're too lazy to type it in. Just press this icon right here. So what is 1 plus 1 times 3 plus 10 divided by 5? And there you go. It's converting it into text. And now just send it to ChatGPT for it to solve it. And there you go. It has already solved it. And also a reminder guys that ChatGPT has limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. So please take this to account guys whenever you're using ChatGPT as a search engine. So for other features of the ChatGPT application, here we just press the top right corner of our screen. And here you can also rename the conversation or the chat you just have done. So let's just say math expression right there. And there you go. It's been renamed. And also you can also delete the chat you have done. So let's just delete it right there. And there, you already have a new chat too. So you can also check your history right there, like the cake recipe that we have done earlier. And you can also manually add the new chat right here. So here in the settings, you can see that you can also upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. So let's just press it right here. Here in ChatGPT Plus, you can have access to ChatGPT for their latest beta features. And it will be always available to use when the demand is high. And it's also faster than our ChatGPT 3, which is the free version of ChatGPT. So here we can also have our data controls, such as the chat history and training. We can off it right there. We can also clear our chat history right here. And you can also have the power to delete your account, which will be cleared. And you can also cannot reuse the same email or phone number for a new account. So beware. And right here, you can export your data. So your account details and conversation will be included in the export, and the data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. Processing may take some time. You'll be notified when it's ready, so you can export your data. Here, there's also a haptic feedback setting for the ChatGPT application. You can option to turn it on and off. So here also, you can select your language for our speech to text feature in iOS. So let's just say you're Japanese or something, and there. For more questions about the ChatGPT application, you can always go to their help. Once you have been redirected to their website again, here you will see a variety of questions which is commonly asked, like what is the ChatGPT's iOS app minimum requirements? So here you will see that ChatGPT iOS has a minimum requirement of iPhone 8 or newer, or iPhone iOS 16.1 or newer, and for other device, iPads and on iPhone compatibility mode only. So let's just say, is ChatGPT available on Android? Sadly to say, but no, but they are working on it right now. Here you can also see a lot of other questions if you're curious. So that right there is the ChatGPT Help Center. So I would personally recommend using the ChatGPT application for your iOS devices, since it's a easier access than rather going to the Safari or a Chrome, then going to their website and having to bother to sign up every time you just exit your Chrome or Safari application. Here you can just use their application, which is more cleaner and easier to use and packs more features than the browser version of ChatGPT, like the speech to text. That's very efficient and easy to use, and it comes in handy when you're really lazy to type. So that right there is the ChatGPT application. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.